ഓം ശ്രീമാത്രേ നമഃ. I am Dr. Kollur Krishnayar from Mookambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam. Vaigashi Masam 4th, 18th May 2026, Monday, Parabhavanama Samvalsaram, Uttarayanam, Vasanta Ritu, Vaigashi Masam, that is Rishabha Masam, Shukla Paksham, Tithi up to 9:17 p.m. Dudiyai, then Tridiyai, Monday, Somavasaram, Nakshatram up to 2:23 p.m. Rohini, then Mrigashirsha Nakshatram. Today's Rahuvalam 7:30 to 9 a.m. Yamagandam 10:30 to 12 noon. Guliyagalam 1:30 to 3 p.m. Good time 9 to 10:30 a.m. then 5 to 5:30 p.m. Today's Chandrashtam for Tula Rashi, Shulam East, Prayachittam Kard, Sradhatadi Dudiyai. Om Sri Matre Namaha. Om Sri Matre Namaha. Om Sri Matre Namaha.